Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate hearts and stamina in tiers of the kingdom. First, gather your essential items. You'll need a one-handed weapon, a multi-shot bow, and at least 5 arrows. This method exploits a specific menu overloading glitch within the game's mechanics. Before you start, always make sure to save your game, giving you a safe point to return to if needed. To duplicate heart containers, first equip your one-handed weapon and multi-shot bow, then drop the weapon. Next, hold a hardy truffle or big hardy truffle, ensuring your inventory menu overloads. While overloaded, fuse this item to the weapon on the ground. Once fused, pick up the weapon. Drop it, then pick it up again. Each time you drop and re-equip the weapon, the fused item will duplicate, allowing you to get many extra hearts. The process for duplicating stamina vessels is nearly identical to duplicating hearts. You will need large crystallized charges as your item for fusion. Follow the same steps. Equip your weapons, drop the one-handed weapon, overload your menu, then fuse the large crystallized charge. Drop and pick up the weapon repeatedly to create a substantial number of duplicated charges. Exchange these charges for stamina vessels at any goddess statue to expand your stamina wheel. Remember to save your game frequently, particularly after you have successfully duplicated a significant amount of items. While generally stable, performing these glitches excessively or incorrectly can sometimes cause the game to temporarily freeze, requiring a restart. Once you are comfortable with the basic technique, feel free to experiment with duplicating other valuable materials. This powerful method provides an efficient way to enhance your adventure across Hyrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.